How's it going today, folks? My name's Daniel. I'm one of the resident parts specialists here at Bobcat of Omaha. It's a beautiful day, and I just thought it would be a good idea to show you guys how to check codes in some of the more common machines out there. So we're gonna take a look at a couple machines up on the lot here and give you guys a quick rundown. All right, so on the new R-Series machines, it's pretty straightforward. From here, you have the optional 7-inch touchscreen. You're gonna go to Service and scroll down, Service Codes, and it will show you not only what codes might be present, but what codes have been present. You scroll down the list here. So pretty quick and easy guide there. We're gonna go back home, and if you don't have that and you just have the knob, what you're gonna do is you're going to hit this backward and volume key. You're gonna tap that, and you're gonna see that blue highlight. From there, you're gonna be able to use the knob to navigate. And so we're gonna scroll over to settings, and I am scrolling clockwise. You can do this either clockwise or counterclockwise, it does not matter. I'm gonna click in on the knob to get to service. That's gonna get there as well. And then if you, again, I'm going clockwise here. You go clockwise here, you can see all the different parts of the screen are highlighted. You will go down and hit Service Codes, and the same screen will pop up. Another cool feature with the R-Series machines is you can see the service schedule, the service record, and you can go back and actually plug in exactly what needs to be done on the machine, and you have a quick handy little guide here for your convenience. Alright, so I wanted to really quickly show you guys the same process on the excavator. You're going to pretty much do the same thing, whether it's touchpad, going to service, or if it's with this guy. I'll just hit that there. That'll highlight, and you can use the knob to scroll down like so. It's not much different. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys how to retrieve codes on an M2 series machine. Now there's going to be two ways you can do this. The first is without a deluxe instrument panel. I will show you that a little bit later on. That'll be our next step. But say you have a key start on the right hand side and you only have this panel on your left hand side with the gauges here. You can see this symbol displayed right now, this open book with a wrench over the top. This is the screen you want to get to. If you had a code that was being brought up, the code number would be displayed right here. Be something similar to W0555, something similar to that. If you are not on this screen and it shows maybe the hour meter, which is usually going to be the case, you're going to want to hit this information button. You'll notice I hit that to get to the hour meter. So just keep clicking that. Then you'll get the RPMs, your battery voltage, your drive response, and then it'll cycle around to your service. So this guy here is going to be what you're looking for. Then from there, if there are multiple codes, they will cycle through. So it will cycle through the codes that are currently coming up on the machine if there are multiple. Next, I'm going to show you how to go over the same process using the deluxe instrument. So if you have the instrument panel, you can still do the previous method if you have this, but you'll get a little bit more detailed results similar to the R-Series. So this is our home screen. If you cycle over, you'll want to get to this right here, this active warning screen. As you can see, we don't have any codes in the machine right now, thank goodness. If you were to go through and look at the logs, you would hit number 4 here, and it's going to go through and it's going to pull data, and it's going to show you the different service codes that were on this machine. Again, similar to the R-Series machine. If there's multiple pages, you'll use this button right down here to scroll through them, and that's how you retrieve those codes in an M2 series machine. All right, I wanted to quickly go over an M2 series excavator with you guys as well. Again, it's going to be very similar to the skid loader machines. However, the panel is going to be slightly different on this one. Same process though. You're going to come down here to the I button, with the circle around it here. We're gonna scroll through a couple of different hour meter, RPM. Now this is a service schedule. You can see that with the hourglass here. So if you have this screen, that's not going to be your code screen. It is going to be the next one. It's still going to have the open book with the wrench. However, this indicating off means that there is not a current service schedule programmed into this machine. So if we hit that one more time, it will come up with the code screen. So again, we have none here. We're good to go. And that's all we need to do with that. All right, so this is the instrument panel in our new line of compact tractors. I was walking our lot and saw this guy. They've been pretty popular so far, so I wanted to throw this in for any new tractor owners out there. You're gonna have 6 indicators down here, the hour meter in the middle here, 6 other indicators right here, and then 2 clusters, top left and top right. So there is a little operator's guide as well. If you just follow around here, right here, pull this guy out. This will give you a rundown of what all those indicators are going to mean. So there's a couple different pages here based on the model of tractor that you have. The biggest one is obviously going to be the service engine light soon, typical to an automobile. That's going to come on. When that comes on, be sure to call our service department and we will walk you through what it could be and what we can do to fix it. All right, well, I hope that was helpful and informative. The next step on that, once you find a code, is to give our service department a call. We're able to look up those codes, let you know what the next steps are. It could be something as replacing a fuel filter, or it could be something a little bit more intensive. So be sure to reach out, let us know so we can help you out and help solve that problem for you. If there's anything else you want to know from us, any more videos or content you'd like to see here, please let us know in the comments. And if you run into a bind, you can always give us a call. Phone number is going to be below, or you can call 402-895-6660. Thanks, guys. Take care.